Question number 1. Why did Allah send punishment to the people of Prophet Nuh? Answer A. Disbelief. If you like this video and comment mashallah. Question number 2. What was the main message of Prophet Nuh to his people? Answer A. Tawheed. Question number 3. On which mountain did the ark rest after the flood? Answer C. Mount Judy. Question number 4. How long did Prophet Nuh preach to his people? Answer C. 950 years. Question number 5. What did Allah command Prophet Nuh to build for protection from the flood? Answer B. Ark. Question number 6. Which pair of animals entered the ark first according to narrations? Answer D. Donkey. Question number 7. Why did one of Prophet Nuh's sons refuse to board the ark? Answer D. He had no time.